I've lived at this house for 37 years. It's expensive to run a house, as we all know. I felt that the best move was to transition from oil to gas. And when I did my research, I realized this is a good move for me. So I got a hold of Enbridge Gas and made an arrangement for them to come in and install the gas first. And that was a very positive experience for me because the crew that came in were extremely professional. The use of gas that I'm experiencing is the stability of it. It's always ready, so you're never worried about running out of oil. If your house is cold or chilly, you put on the gas, you pump up the house, you get it warm, and then you turn it down again. So there's this flexibility with gas that allows you to live comfortably. If you switch to gas, it'll be more effective for the heating in your house. You know, one of the most important things for me is affordability and reliability in heating my home. And I find that Enbridge Gas, their service is 5-star.